Ever come back from a camping trip smelling like a campfire soaked in regret? Yeah, we've all been there. Today on OutdoorKitPro, we're breaking down the best portable washing solutions for camping, from ultra-lightweight wash bags to fully automatic mini machines. We'll cover portability, power method, capacity, and value, so you can find the perfect fit for your next adventure. Let's get into it. Number 1. Scrubba Wash Bag. The Scrubba Wash Bag is the gold standard for backpackers and minimalist campers who refuse to haul anything heavy into the backcountry. It's basically a waterproof roll-top bag with an internal washboard. You add water, soap, seal it, and scrub your clothes by hand in just a few minutes. No batteries, no electricity, no problem. It's perfect for socks, underwear, and shirts, making it an ideal companion on multi-day hikes or overlanding trips. The footprint is tiny enough to stuff into a side pocket and forget about until you need it. If you want the most camping-specific laundry solution on the planet, this is it. Best overall for camping. Next up, the Henlisen Wash Bag is a fantastic Scrubba-style alternative that keeps things refreshingly simple. It's hand-powered with no electricity or batteries needed, which makes it a reliable backup option even when everything else fails. The waterproof construction holds up well in wet outdoor conditions. It's lightweight and travel-friendly, packing down small enough to toss in almost any bag. Think of it as your emergency laundry hero, the kind of gear you're glad you brought even if you don't use it every trip. A solid, ultralight pick for anyone who wants a no-fuss, low-tech laundry option. Coming in at number 3, the Dezitrek portable washing machine is the go-to for serious off-grid campers who want more cleaning power than a wash bag, but still zero electricity dependence. It uses a manual plunger mechanism. You hand agitate the water to work soap through your clothes. Rugged, simple, and it just works. The lightweight design means it won't weigh down your pack, and the straightforward mechanism means there's nothing to break or malfunction in the middle of nowhere. If you're camping far from power outlets and need a step up from hand scrubbing, this one delivers. Best off-grid pick, hands down. Number 4. Sangukiro Portable Washing Machine. The Sangukiro portable washing machine is where we shift from manual power to electric convenience. This foldable mini electric washer is designed for car campers and recreational vehicle users who want the ease of a powered machine without the bulk of a full-size appliance. It collapses down for storage, which is a huge win for tight spaces. It handles small loads and delicate garments really well, making it great for underwear, socks, and lighter clothing. The compact footprint means it won't dominate your recreational vehicle counter or trunk space. A smart pick for anyone who wants electric washing power with foldable portability. Best foldable electric pick on our list. Number 5. FreeSinger Portable Washing Machine. The FreeSinger portable washing machine follows a similar philosophy to the Sangukiro: compact, foldable, and electrically powered for light camping laundry. It's got a simple control layout that doesn't require a manual to figure out, which is always appreciated after a long day on the trail. Storage is easy since the body folds flat. It's best suited for delicate garments and small loads, so don't expect it to tackle heavy jeans or bulky towels. But for the everyday camping essentials, it gets the job done without taking up much space. A lightweight and convenient mini electric option that's easy to travel with. Number 6. JUJOJB Portable Washing Machine. Closing out the mini electric category, the JUJOJB portable washing machine is a purpose-built machine for very small loads. We're talking underwear, socks, and similar delicates. It's got a collapsible body and a portable, compact design that practically disappears when you fold it up. Think of it as the specialist in a lineup of generalists. If your camping wardrobe is mostly technical fibers and lightweight base layers, the JUJOJB fits that niche perfectly. It's not trying to wash your whole camp's worth of laundry, just your most essential pieces on the go. A solid pick for campers who pack light and need focused, delicate fabric care. Number 7. Love Home Decker Portable Washing Machine. The Love Home Decker Portable Washing Machine rounds out the foldable electric mini washer group with a compact, foldable body that's easy to store and transport. It's lightweight and straightforward to operate, handling small loads and delicates without fuss. If you're camping in a space-limited setup, this one earns its place. Controls are simple, and the folded footprint is minimal, making it a practical choice for solo campers or couples who just need to stay on top of the basics. It's not flashy, but it's reliable and easy to pack. Good for small space campers who want electric convenience without the bulk. Number 8. Super Deal Portable Washing Machine. Now we're stepping up in capacity. The Super Deal Portable Washing Machine is a twin-tub washer that combines a wash drum and a spinner in one budget-friendly package. It handles medium loads, which means you can actually do a meaningful amount of laundry in one sitting, rather than running tiny loads repeatedly. The price point makes it accessible for campers on a tight budget. For recreational vehicle campers or anyone with a reliable power source at camp, this is a practical, full-function setup without the full-size price tag. The spin dryer side helps remove excess water, so clothes dry faster, a real advantage in outdoor settings. This is our best budget pick for campers who want real laundry power without overspending. Number 9. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. The Auertech portable washing machine is a serious twin-tub option built for recreational vehicle camping and longer outdoor stays where laundry actually accumulates. It features a washer plus spin dryer combo with a medium load capacity that handles family-sized batches, far better than any mini washer can. Semi-automatic operation keeps things simple while delivering strong cleaning performance. This is the machine for campers who aren't roughing it in, but still need portability over a full-size washer. It's heavier than the foldable options, but the trade-off in capacity and performance is absolutely worth it for longer trips. Best recreational vehicle camping pick on our list. Practical, powerful, and purpose-built for extended stays. Number 10. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Stepping up even further, the Giantex portable washing machine is another twin-tub powerhouse, but with a larger medium to large load capacity that gives it a serious throughput advantage for bigger camping groups. Wash and spin functionality means you're not waiting forever between cycles, and the semi-automatic controls keep the learning curve low. If your camping crew generates real laundry volume, families, group trips, extended overlanding, the Giantex can handle it without flinching. It's heavier and less compact than the mini options, so it's best suited for recreational vehicle setups where portability is less critical than raw capacity. A big camping laundry workhorse. Number 11. BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is in a different league from the twin tubs. This is a fully automatic washer that brings genuine home appliance convenience to your glamping setup or cabin stay. Multiple wash settings, automatic operation, and a compact home appliance footprint make it feel less like a camping gadget and more like a real washing machine. Just plug it in and let it run. For glampers, cabin campers, or anyone with reliable power access, it eliminates the manual effort entirely. The trade-off is that it's larger and less portable than the foldable or plunger options. But if you want real washer convenience without hauling a full-size machine, BLACK+DECKER delivers exactly that. Number 12. Comfy Portable Washing Machine. Wrapping up our list, the Comfy Portable Washing Machine is the premium automated option for extended recreational vehicle trips and cabin stays. It offers apartment-grade washing programs in a portable appliance body, with strong wash capability and easy controls that make laundry day genuinely painless. This is as close as you get to a home washer while still calling it portable. If you're spending weeks or months at a campsite or recreational vehicle park with hookups, the Comfy earns its place as the best automated portable option available. It handles medium to large loads with consistency, and the automatic programs take the guesswork out of every wash. For extended stays where comfort matters, this one's tough to beat. So there you have it. For pure camping versatility, the Scrubba Wash Bag is our top pick. And for off-grid adventurers, the Dezitrek is unbeatable. Check the affiliate links in the description to grab the one that fits your style. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below. See you on the trail!